Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji V. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 designer perfumes that I love to wear during the fall season. So fall is like my favorite time of the year. It's like not too hot, not too cold. But unfortunately, I don't live up north. I live in Florida, so I don't get to experience just such a beautiful time of this year, but I do enjoy wearing fall perfumes. So what I like to wear, the type of perfumes I like to wear, they're usually warm, cozy, and ambery. So I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 perfumes that are perfect for fall. So the first fragrance we're going to talk about is by Glossier. It's called You. I love this fragrance. When I first smelled it, I just fell in love. And this was also a blind purchase. I just went ahead and I saw this bottle on the website and I said, you know what? Let me try it. And that is what I did. I purchased this fragrance. When it arrived, I was like, Lord, let this smell good. And I sprayed it and I ultimately fell in love with this fragrance. It was like love at first smell, and I've been obsessed with this fragrance ever since. It's just such a beautiful scent. It's ambery, it has ambrox as well. It's just such a perfect, cozy scent for fall. It reminds me of like a cashmere sweater. If you're into that warm, creamy, ambery type of perfume, you'll love this perfume for fall. The longevity of this perfume is beyond 8 hours. I love to wear this because you really get an all-day wear from this fragrance. It's beyond 8 hours. I love it. It's just unique to you, because that's the whole point of this fragrance. It's supposed to be unique to your body chemistry. So I guess with this fragrance, it's gonna smell a little bit different on everyone, but on me, it's like the perfect scent. It's warm, it's ambery, the ambrox is just perfect. The projection of this fragrance too is beautiful. It's not intimate, it's about moderate, it's not too strong. You're just gonna have a nice projection of this fragrance. It's not obnoxious as well. So I think this is such a beautiful scent for fall time. No matter when you wear it, it's just such a sexy, cozy scent, and I think you'll love this for fall. So the next fragrance I would like to talk about is Coach Dreams Sunset. This is like one of my ultimate favorite designer perfumes for the fall season. So this is an amber floral fragrance that was launched in 2021. This is fairly new, and this was created by Natalie Lorson. She's like one of the best perfumer out there, and anything she creates is ultimately, you know, a beautiful scent. So this fragrance is so pretty. I love to wear this during fall. It's not too heavy. It's like a mixture between the fall season and the summer. So I think this is just perfect for your fall collection. So what makes this perfume perfect for fall is the pear ice cream and the bergamot. The pear ice cream makes it so creamy and beautiful. Like I said, I love perfumes that are creamy, ambery, and just cozy during the fall season. So this fragrance is just perfect. It like checks all the boxes. The pear ice cream is just, it's almost sweet but not too sweet. It's also creamy and warm at the same time, so you'll love this scent for fall as well. And then the jasmine and the vanilla makes it just warm with a hint of sweetness. It's not overly sweet, because you really don't want to wear, you know, sweet scents during the fall season. You want things that are ambery and warm with a little bit of vanilla in there as well. So with the vanilla in this fragrance, it just makes it such a beautiful, beautiful scent for the fall season. It just smells so pretty. It's like so the pear just reminds me of ice cream. It's just creamy and just a nice sweet smell. It's not overly sweet, but I really love this fragrance for fall, and you'll love it for fall as well. So let's jump into the longevity. The longevity is 6 to 8 hours. This fragrance is just an all-day fragrance. The projection is beautiful, it's moderate. You'll love the projection on this. It's not intimate at all. People will definitely smell this fragrance on you. It's not obnoxious as well. that's why I love this fragrance. It is like in my top, of course, top 6 perfumes for fall. So that's why I'm recommending it to you guys for fall as well. But I think if you add this perfume to your collection, you'll love it. So if you haven't smelled it or tried it, go ahead and go to your local perfume store and try this. This is a beautiful scent for fall. So another scent that I love for fall, this one is Flowerbomb Ruby Orchid by Viktor and Rolf. I love this fragrance for fall as well. So this is like a gourmand type of perfume, which makes it perfect for fall. It's also fruity as well, but it's mostly on the gourmand side, which is why I love it for fall. So the top notes of this fragrance are peach and vine. The peach is what makes it creamy as well. This is just such a beautiful peachy type of perfume. The vine makes it spicy as well as the orchid. The orchid is what gives it that kind of spicy kick, which is what I love. And then the vanilla in the base is just perfect. It's just such a warm, spicy, kind of creamy, peachy type of fragrance. Vanilla just gives perfume just such a warm vibe. So I think anything layered with vanilla is gonna give it a cozy scent. So that's why I love Ruby Orchid as a fall fragrance. So this is my second bottle of Ruby Orchid. I fell in love with the previous bottle. I have it here. So this is the original bottle that I bought. So I basically used it up and I said I had to get me a second bottle, and I decided to get a bigger version because I love this scent. It's just beautiful. It's warm, it's sexy. So the longevity of this fragrance is beyond 8 hours. You're gonna get an all-day wear from this fragrance, which is why I love it. I think it's worth every penny. Some fragrances, you know, you buy them, you spend so much on fragrances and you really don't get your money's worth. But I can say you'll get your money's worth from the Ruby Orchid. It's just beautiful. The projection is gorgeous as well. It's moderate, it's not overpowering, it's not intimate. You're gonna get a nice projection from this fragrance. People are gonna smell it on you. So I think you'll love this fragrance for fall. It's most definitely gonna stay in my top 6. It's just such a beautiful scent. It's warm, it's luxurious, it's creamy, and the vanilla just makes it such a beautiful scent, as well as the orchid and the vine. It gives it such a nice, spicy, warm, cozy scent for fall. Another designer perfume in my fall collection is by Good Girl. This one is Good Girl Supreme. So I love the whole Good Girl line, but my ultimate favorite versions are the original Good Girl and of course the Supreme. So the Supreme is more of an amber perfume, which is why I love it for the fall season. Like I said, fall perfume should be ambery, you know, cozy and warm and vanilla. Vanilla-y, is that a word? Vanilla-y is a nice word. But I think anything with vanilla, amber, ambrox, peach, anything that's creamy is just perfect for fall. So Good Girl Supreme check all the boxes that a fall fragrance should smell like. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful perfume. So this Good Girl was launched in 2020. So Louis Turner is the creator of this perfume. You know, Louis Turner, he's like one of the top perfumer in the industry. He creates beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous scents. A lot of our designer perfumes he creates. So anything, mostly anything you could think of, he's the nose behind it, and I love his fragrances, and this is no different. It's just such a warm, ambery scent for the fall season. So the top notes are forest fruits and Egyptian jasmine. This fragrance is mostly on the ambery side. You get a hint of sweetness in this fragrance, but it's mostly ambery. It's not overpowering. It's like a beautiful balance between sweetness and the amber notes. And then the middle notes are tuberose and tonka bean. Vivitar in this fragrance is what gives it the warm, woodsy, cozy vibe, along with the tonka bean. The tonka bean, you know, is what gives it also the gourmand smell as well. So let's talk about the projection. The projection of this is moderate. It can be strong as well, so people are gonna smell this on you. It's just such a cozy scent. The longevity is beyond 6 to 8 hours. You're gonna get an all-day wear from this fragrance. You're gonna get your money's worth. I've had this fragrance for a very long time. I really don't like to spray it because it's like one of my favorite scents. I love the Good Girl, and then this is my number 2 in the Good Girl collection. I'm really not a fan of the other ones. This is like my top 2 favorites in the Good Girl collection, but I think you guys are gonna love this fragrance for fall. Again, it's the Good Girl Supreme, so if you're into that cozy ambery scent, I think you should add this to your collection. Next fragrance we're gonna talk about is by Narciso Rodriguez. This is Pure Musk For Her. I love this fragrance for the fall season as well. So this fragrance is an older perfume. This was launched in 2019. The perfumer behind this fragrance is Sonia Constant. I'm not familiar with her. It's the first time I'm seeing her name, but I love this fragrance for fall. So this is like my first fragrance that I like with musk in it. It's not too strong. This is more of a mature scent, if I want to say it like that. But I think it's perfect for fall as well because of the warm notes in this fragrance. So this fragrance is more on the floral woody musk spectrum. I love the musk in this fragrance. It's not overbearing and also, you know, stuffy. It's like a light musk, which I enjoy, and usually I don't enjoy musk, especially on my skin and my body chemistry. Musk is not the best note for my skin. It usually just smells very stuffy and it kind of reminds me of a mothball, but I really enjoy musk in this fragrance. Boy, I'm really going off on musk right now. That's how much I really don't like musk. But I really enjoyed in this fragrance. So the middle note is flowers, and of course the base note in this perfume is cashmere. The cashmere is what saved this fragrance, pretty much. The cashmere gives it an ambery, woodsy, warm, cozy scent for fall, which I love. The musk is what makes it a more mature scent, which I enjoy. So this is not for younger women. This is mostly for women that are, you know, I would say 30 and up. This is the 30 and up fragrance, but it's just such a beautiful scent for the fall, especially if you're looking for a perfume that is not fruity. This is mostly on the floral woodsy side, and it's just such a warm, pretty scent. I think you'll enjoy this fragrance for the fall season. The cashmere just makes it such a beautiful, cozy scent. The musk is not too strong. The musk is just a beautiful, beautiful note in this perfume. You don't really get much of a floral, but overall they say it's a woodsy floral perfume for women. I really enjoy this perfume. The longevity of this perfume is great as well. It's 6 to 8 hours. You will definitely get an all-day wear from this perfume. And then the projection is moderate as well. You get a nice moderate projection. I really love it. It's not too strong, it's not overpowering, so I highly recommend it for fall. Last but not least in my collection is this perfume by Saint Laurent. This is Black Opium. This was launched in 2014. This is an amber vanilla fragrance for women. This was also created by Natalie Lorson as well. Like I said, any fragrance that Natalie creates is going to smell gorgeous, and this is no different. I really love this perfume for fall. It is like the epitome of fall. Black Opium. There's no way you're gonna go wrong with this fragrance in your collection. So let's jump into the notes. Top notes of this fragrance are pink pepper, orange blossom, and pear. The pear is what makes this a creamy scent as well. You get a nice kind of citrusy vibe from this fragrance as well. The orange blossom gives it a nice burst at the top, and I think the pear just evens it out. It gives it a creamy vibe as well. So let's jump into the middle notes. The middle notes are jasmine, bitter almond, licorice, and also coffee. Coffee is what makes this such a gourmand scent. I love the coffee in this. It gives it an earthy, woodsy vibe as well, which makes it beautiful for the fall season. So the base notes are cashmere wood, cedar, vanilla, and patchouli. You really don't smell the patchouli in this because I don't like patchouli at all. Patchouli is such a herby incense type of note, which I don't like, but you really don't get this from this fragrance. It's mostly a woodsy, earthy, vanilla, cashmere type of fragrance. It's warm, it's cozy, it's very ambery as well. Like I said, I love fragrances that are, you know, ambery and amber based, so I think you'll love this for fall. Let's jump into the longevity. The longevity is 6 to 8 hours. You're gonna get an all-day wear from this fragrance. It's just beautiful. No matter what, you're gonna smell it on you. People are gonna smell it on you as well. You're gonna get compliments. If that's what you're looking for, you will get complimented. The projection of this fragrance is moderate. It's not intimate. You're gonna get a nice strong projection from this fragrance as well. So I think you'll get your money's worth. It's an all-day perfume. The projection is strong and nice. I love it. It's just a nice cozy ambery perfume that you'll enjoy in your fall collection. So I think you guys should add this, and this is one of my top 6 fragrances to add to your fall collection. So you guys, those are my top 6 perfumes for the fall season. Of course, there's the Black Opium, the Good Girl Supreme, Glossier You. What else did we cover? We covered, oh yeah, Victor and Rolf, Flowerbomb, Ruby Orchid. So those are my top 6 fragrances for the fall season. They're warm, they're cozy, they're creamy, they're woodsy, they're ambery, they're luxurious. They're perfect for the fall season. So I hope you guys enjoyed my top 6. Those are my top 6 for the fall. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.